Oh, yeah! Hey everybody, Rick Tremor Outdoors at Pack Break still, and I'm with Mike Waite, engineer. We're gonna do the train horn next.
Yeah, the nice big triple train horn. So this one's 110 decibels measured at 20 feet, but it's got a much lower note than the semi-truck horns. So it's about 500 hertz, whereas the semi-truck was about 3,200 hertz.
So it's that frequency is why it's gonna drop in the decibel rating, but it's
Yeah.
probably gonna have a heck of a lot more punch.
Oh yeah, you're gonna feel it.
Great. Awesome, let's jump at it.
So for all our connections, we have this nylon airline, 1/4 inch. And then for actually connecting it to stuff, we have our fancy push-to-connect connectors. So these are SAE rated. It's the exact same kind of connector you would use on a semi-truck for their air systems. So to install it, you thread it into one of these fittings or on here, something like this is 1/8 NPT, for example. And you take your airline with a nice flat cut. You got to make sure of that, and it comes with a cutter to do that. You put it in, and then you'll feel like one and a second little thunk. To release it, you push this back, and then it pops right out. And that's an airtight seal. It's kind of like those shark bite connectors you can get for plumbing. And here we have the solenoid for our trio train horn that we put in the bed of his truck. And here's the input. We used the 3/8 line because the flow volume is so much higher. As you can see, this solenoid is different. It's actually got double the flow of the other one just to provide enough air for that train horn. So the input goes in and then back here, and we ran it again all the way along the frame to the bed of the truck where it's attached. And the power, exact same as before. We have negative goes to the negative of the truck here, and then power goes up to the switch in the cab. So for the trio train horn, we've run power up to this terminal block here, which connects to the upfitter switch in the cab. So what we've actually done, because these trio train horns are so huge, is we installed it in the bed. Ideally you wouldn't want to face it up normally, but because he's got the tonneau cover, it's not going to get rain in it. So we've ran the airlines through one of these side pockets in the truck bed here, and at the same time we ran our accessory air. So as you can see right there, you just plug it in, and you can fill up tires or floaties for the lake or anything.
Oh, yeah!
Well, that brings us to the final installment of this 4-part installation series on Fenrir. In this series, Mike added Pack Break's onboard air compressor, 2.5-gallon air tank, rear air spring suspension, dual semi-truck air horns, and triple train horns, transforming Fenrir into a fully capable, air-equipped workhorse. We hope you've enjoyed this content and found it both informative and practical. We're excited to share that there's plenty more coming soon, with upcoming content focused on towing and hauling, including best practices, real-world setup tips, and how to get the most out of Pack Break's rugged equipment once it's installed on your tow vehicle. In the meantime, be sure to visit www.packbreak.com and check out the durable, reliable products they build. We're confident you'll be impressed. Until the next video, stay safe and happy hauling.